Hello children, hope you are well. Today I am going to start a new video related to time of class 5. So children, let's start. Time in hours. May I come in, sir? No, look at the clock. You are late today. What time do you wake up? I wake up when the sun rises. Can you read the time in the clock? No, sir. Okay, I will teach you how to read the time. Look at this clock. It is divided into 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It has two hands, one as the hour hand, short hand, and the other as the minute hand. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the other number. For example, to move from 2 to 3, the hour hand takes 1 hour. So, it takes 12 hours to complete one round of the clock. Full hours or o'clock time. When the time is in full complete hours, the minute hand is at 12. Look at the time shown in the given clocks. 3 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, half hour or half past time. When the time is given in half hour, the minute hand is at 6. Look at the time shown in the given clocks. Half past 1 or 1:30, half past 7 or 7:30, half past 3 or 3:30, half past 10 or 10:30. Quarter past hours. When the minute hand is at 3, the time is read as quarter past. It means the minute hand has covered 15 minutes. For example, the time shown in the given clock is quarter past 12 or 12:15. Quarter to hours. When the minute hand points at 9, the time is read as quarter to. It means the minute hand has covered 45 minutes and the hour hand is close to the next hour. For example, the time shown in the given clock is 6:45 or quarter to 7. Time in minutes. We already know that there are 12 big divisions marked on the clock. Each big division has 5 small divisions. Each small division stands for 1 minute. So, there are 12 into 5, 60 small divisions, or we can say 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. There are 24 hours in a day. Remember, half of the clock says next to the next hour. Half of the clock says half past, AM or PM. Children, today I will explain you the concept of AM and PM. AM stands for before noon or ante-meridium. PM stands for afternoon or post-meridium. The time from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon is called AM. The time from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight is called PM. For example, I wake up at 6 am. I go to bed at 9 pm. Remember, there is no AM or PM written with 12 o'clock noon or 12 o'clock midnight. There is no o'clock written with AM or conversion. Months into days. A month may have 28, 29, 30 or 31 days. But while converting months into days, we normally take 1 week equal to 7 days, 1 month equal to 30 days, 1 12 month equal to 365 days, and 1 year is equal to 365 days. Example, convert 7 months into days. Solution, 1 month equal to 30 days, therefore 7 month equal to 7 into 30 days is equal to 210 days. Example 2. Convert 5 weeks into days. Solution. 1 week equal to 7 days. Therefore, 5 weeks equal to 5 into 7 days equal to 35 days. Example 3. How many days are there in 3 years? Solution. 1 year equal to 365 days. Therefore, 3 years equal to 3 into 365 days equal to 1095 days. Days into hours. To convert days into hours, we multiply the number of days by 24. For example, how many hours are there in 7 days? Solution. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 7 days equal to 7 into 24, which is equal to 168 hours. Example 2. Convert 9 days 4 hours into hours. Solution. 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 9 days equal to 9 into 24 equal to 216 hours. 9 days 4 hours is equal to 216 hours plus 4 hours equal to 220 hours. Now children, hours into minutes. To convert hours into minutes, we multiply the number of hours by 60. Example, convert 8 hours into minutes. Solution. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 8 hours equal to 8 into 60, that is equal to 480 minutes. Example 2. Convert 6 hours 30 minutes into minutes. Very easy. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So, 6 hours is equal to 6 into 60 equal to 360 minutes. Therefore, 6 hours 30 minutes equal to 360 minutes plus 30 minutes equal to 390 minutes. Now, children, minutes into seconds. To convert minutes into seconds, we multiply the number of minutes by 60. Example 1. How many seconds are there in 7 minutes? Solution. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 7 minutes equal to 7 into 60, which is equal to 420 seconds. Example 2. Convert 9 minutes 45 seconds into seconds. Very simple. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 9 minutes equal to 9 into 60, that is equal to 540 seconds. Therefore, 9 minutes 45 seconds equal to 540 seconds plus 45 seconds equal to 585 seconds. Very simple. 24 hours clock time. Children, we normally use a 12-hour clock time, but railways, airlines and armed forces use 24 hours clock. In this, the time is expressed in 4 digits. For example, in the given clocks, the time is 22:05 hours, 18:15 hours and 4:19 hours. Here, the first 2 digits from the left tells us the hours, and the number from by the next 2 digits tells us the minutes. For example, 22:05 hours is equal to 22 hours 5 minutes. Remember children, 12 o'clock midnight is expressed as 0000 hours and 12 o'clock noon is expressed as 12:00 hours. The calendar. Daddy, can you tell me about the calendar? Yes, of course, my daughter. Calendar tells us the time of the major events like festivals during the year. It helps us to know our working days and holidays. It also tells us the days and dates of a month. Days, weeks, months and year are longer units of time. We are already familiar with the relation between them, and we know that 1 day equal to 24 hours, 1 week equal to 7 days, 1 year equal to 12 months, 1 year equal to 52 weeks, equal to 365 days, and 1 leap year equal to 366 days. A month usually has 30 or 31 days, but the month February has 28 days in an ordinary year and 29 days in a leap year. Daddy, what is leap year? A year is said to be a leap year if it is exactly divisible by 4. For example, years 1988, 1992, 1996 and 2004 are leap years as these are divisible by 4. Addition of time. Addition of time is quite different from addition of ordinary numbers, children. For example, at 2 hours 36 minutes 45 seconds and 3 hours 45 minutes 35 seconds. Solution. Write the time in their proper columns and then add. First, add the second. 45 plus 35 equals to 80. Next, 36 minutes plus 45 minutes equal to 81 minutes. Finally, add the hour. 2 hour plus 3 hour equal to 5 hours. Since 60 seconds equal to 1 minute and 60 minutes equal to 1 hour, therefore 5 hours 81 minutes and 80 seconds is equal to 5 hours 60 plus 2 21 minutes and 60 plus 20 seconds, which is equal to 6 hours 22 minutes 20 seconds. Subtraction of time. Subtraction of time can be proceeded in the following manner. For example, subtract 3 hours 35 minutes 34 seconds from 12 hours 25 minutes 22 seconds. Solution. Write the time in their proper columns and then subtract. First, subtract the seconds column. Since 22 is smaller than 34, so borrow 1 minute, that is 60 seconds from minutes column. Now, 60 plus 20 gives 82 seconds. Subtract 34 from 82 seconds, that is equal to 82 minus 34 equal to 48. Write 48 under seconds column. After borrowing 25 minutes minus 1 minute equal to 24 minutes. Here 24 is smaller than 35, hence borrow 1 hour, that is 60 minutes from hours column. Now 60 plus 24 equal to 84 minutes. Subtract 35 from 84. 84 minutes minus 35 equal to 49 minutes. Write 49 under minutes column. After borrowing 12 hours minus 1 hour equal to 11 hours and 11 minus 3 equal to 8 hours. Write 8 under hours column.